All right, we have another product from Sissely. When we were picking out the last one, we picked out this one as well because we liked how it looked. This is the Babydoll lingerie two-piece lace see-through, but this is the blue one, and the size on this one is also extra small. We ran into an issue with the red one where it appears to be smaller than the sizing chart, so that might cause a fit issue. And I am concerned that the same problem might come up here too as well. So now here we go. Here we've got some elastic on this one, so this one might be a little bit better. Yep, definitely better as far as stretching. So you do want to make sure you've got elastic anytime you're getting these. You need to make sure there's a little give, a little stretch, and in this case there's definitely quite a bit of it. If you wanted to see how big that's going to stretch, I'm going to say, yeah, you can probably comfortably fit this into a bust of like a 30, 35, 35 and a half, maybe 36 even, and that's what we're looking for, something that is under that, since we're looking at 32. It's got these ties here on the back that aren't really ties, they are sewn in, but they do look kind of like they're tied, so if you wanted to tie a little bow to them, you could, but they are definitely sewn into the shoulder straps, which are also elastic and adjustable as well. As far as how much it is see-through, you guys probably be able to see quite a bit of it. Whoops, that was 2 layers. There we go. You can definitely see my hand through, so it's definitely see-through. We're looking up at the top. It actually has a padding inside, so the top will not be see-through, just on the edges, but the part that covers the nipples will not be see-through. All right, cool. You guys can see that little part right there where it's not see-through. Okay, and then of course a little bow here. Overall fabric construction looks pretty good. No problems with any of the stitches or anything. I mean, these products, the material is very easily, able to tear and the stitches to come undone. So whenever you can look at it here and you can see that none of that has happened during the making of the product, they did a pretty good job making sure everything was stitched together nice. So that's good. There's a little bit of stretch, of course, because it's a sheer product. There's a lot of space between, where all the fabric does go. And as far as the thong for the bottom, it is also see-through, and it is whoops, wrong way. It is also elastic, highly elastic, so it'll stretch quite a bit. Just for fun, yeah, you can get a good 38 inches out of this. I mean, it'll be a little tight at that point, so I wouldn't go above 35 or so. Yeah, you'd be good there. Okay, so any questions, comments, make sure to ask. We'll get to them as soon as we can, but thanks everybody for watching, and we'll see you next time.